Hey everybody, so about a year ago I was down here in the bottom of our property messing with this little stream, and I made a little bit of a waterfall. So we've had about 3 inches of rain here lately, and I thought I'd come down here and check this out. Seems to be rolling pretty good. Sounds really cool down here too. Just a little bit of a stream going. We're supposed to be getting a bunch more rain later on, so this will probably really get to rolling later, but it looks really cool now. Sounds awesome. So yeah, when I decided to come down here last summer, I wanted to dig some of this out. It was kind of covered up with a bunch of dirt and leaves. And like I said, right up there, I decided to make a little bit of a waterfall. I dug part of this rock out right in here too. Eventually I want to do some more digging to see what's there. Pretty big chunk of rock underneath this. But yeah, I just want to bring everyone down here and show you all this. Man, it just sounds so peaceful down here when the water's actually rolling through here. Most of the time when we don't get rain, it's all dry. There's no water at all. But when we get a good rain, it definitely puts this place to flowing. So everybody, be safe, be strong, and we'll talk to you later. Oh, be sure to hit that subscribe button too.